Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the exact photos to share and putting them in one folder. Upload that folder to your preferred cloud storage. This centralizes files and creates a single share point. Once uploaded, make sure syncing finished and permission settings are editable. This avoids accidental access blocks. While still here, rename the folder clearly so recipients know its content. These steps prevent version confusion and ensure you're creating a stable link from the correct, complete set of images. Now you generate the actual share link. Right-click the uploaded folder and choose Get Link or Share, then pick View Only versus Edit, depending on whether you want recipients to download or modify. Make sure to set advanced options, like expiration dates or passwords for extra control. Once configured, copy the link to your clipboard and test it in an incognito window to confirm permissions work as expected. Doing this test prevents surprises and confirms the link points to the right folder with intended access. Finish by sending the link with a short note, what's inside and whether they can download. Use direct channels like email or messaging for specific people or a limited audience post for broader sharing. After sending, ask recipients to confirm access. This catches permission issues early. If someone reports failure, make sure you recheck the folder's permission settings, try regenerating the link, or upload to a different provider as a fallback. That one troubleshooting tip will resolve most access problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.